Hi first graders, welcome back to virtual school. Today is Monday and I'm going to get started by showing you how to get to your math homework for the rest of the week. We're going to slow down on math a little bit and allow the friends that are coming back to school to get back into their routine. I'm going to collect their materials and see how everybody's doing. For you friends that are still at home, I'm going to give you some Halloween math activities to keep your brains fresh with addition and subtraction. So if you could please watch this video to teach you how to get to these assignments. So first we're going to go to Google Chrome. Okay, you're going to type in Class Dojo. Okay, you're going to click the top one, Class Dojo. Okay, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. I'm going to move it down a little bit so you can see. There you go. Okay, we're going to click the one that says Student. Okay, now you have to choose how you're going to enter the class. You're going to use the blue triangle. It's going to ask you for a class text code. Now this is the one that changes every 2 days. So the code I'm putting in right now is not going to work for you when you do yours, but you just look on Class Dojo. I will have it posted, or you can message me right away and ask for it. So this one will be different from the one that you will put in. But I just want to show you how to get in. Okay, so it says, hi, what's your name? And then I'm going to scroll to one of my virtual friends, which would be Heidi. Heidi's one of my virtual friends. Okay, so now you can see this is Heidi's home page, and you can see her to-do list. So we're going to go view all. If you have all your stuff done, then nothing will show up, and you'll just have your assignment that we're going to go find right now. So I'm going to go to the one that says Halloween Math, Virtual Kids Only, due October 21st. So today would be the 19th, and you have the rest of this week up until Wednesday to complete this. So once you get here, you're going to click Start. Okay, the directions are off to the right here, and I'm going to put them into our screen. It says, follow the directions on the worksheet and figure out the riddle. Send the answer to Mrs. Badalamenti or through a dojo message. I'll also see it when you hand it in. Okay, I'm going to go back over to this side a little bit so we can see our tools that we can use. The directions say add or subtract. Then write the letters that match the answers on the lines below to solve the riddle. So first we're going to start off by going over here and clicking the pen tool. And I would recommend using the smallest one because the blanks are kind of small. And we're going to go through these and add and subtract just like the problems ask us to. So 4 plus 6. What is 4 plus 6? You can start at 6 and count up 4 more. What do you land on? It's 10. So you're going to write that right in here. And everywhere that we see a 10, we're going to put the letter R. So we go down here. Okay, I see a 10 here, so we need to write an R with the best handwriting we can. I know it's kind of tricky because they're small. Okay, and let's move on to another one. So it would be 8 minus 4. 8 take away 4. Did you say 4? You're correct. So now anywhere that we see a 4, we're going to write the letter U. Come on down. Where do you see a 4? There it is. The letter U. Okay, and keep going till it's all filled out and you've figured out the riddle. When you're all done with that, you're going to go up to the right-hand corner to the blue button that says Hand In. Now, I'm not going to do that because then Heidi won't be able to complete her homework since I did it. But once you're done, you click Hand In, and then it'll send me a message saying that it's ready to be checked. Right? So this is your homework for today, and it's not due until the 21st, but if you hand it in, I can check it and get it all squared away. All right, thank you very much, first graders. I'll be talking to you tomorrow.